Hey guys, welcome to Christian Vlog. Says if you're new here, don't forget that subscribe up. So let's go do it right now. But guys, I'm a little bit tired, but ready for school, so I'll see you guys after that. I'm just eating some Pop-Tarts this morning, the OG of food, so well, breakfast. So yeah, guys, at school got my Gatorade from the game on Friday, but yeah. Gotta go plug in my thing and get homework done. So hey guys, I'm home. This sub bus driver behind me here, he like totally missed my thing and went clear down the road before like I was telling him, and he's like, dang it, and he had to turn around. But it is still snowy and I'm in my lit Adidas. These are lit Adidases. But they're getting all wet and dirty because I have Adidas pants here with the 3 stripes. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah. I'm home. Gonna be pottying. Not really. I wish. It is snowy out. I feel like there should be nice snowy rabbits out here, and that it should be about Christmas. Christmas is way past. But yeah. See you guys later when I get inside. So guys, I'm inside, but I have to go take my car to a shop down the road for my tires. Not my tires, dang it, said it wrong, but I do need new tires on it for my heater because that went out, the fan, if you didn't know that. I mean, those cars are bad for that, and also for the drive belt because it's squeaking, so yeah, they said might as well get it done there. And also my roof's getting fixed because my ceiling was leaking, so it's there until the roofers can get it battled out with the insurance. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I am home drinking me a Dr. Pepper. Took it in for the heater like I said before. So yeah. But yeah, I'll see you guys sometime later in the night. Once I'm probably done with this and done watching a couple YouTube videos and hanging out with my parents. I mean, boom. I'll try not to get my teeth sensitive because they're really sensitive because of my braces, so yeah. So yeah guys, I'll see you guys later. Guys, when I was pulling out, because I was vacuuming my room earlier because my parents told me I needed to, I kind of messed up the outlet, so yeah, let me show you. So guys, you probably can see it. I'll try it next year, but really shaky like, yeah. Yeah, it's shaky and it was 100% against the wall like that. Now it's all shaky and off and all. That ain't good. Ugh. Well, I guess it's quick, baby. So guys, I kind of got it. I'm gonna try to fix the screw here and just kind of fix this baby to get tight up into the wall so it doesn't do that again. Not the only one I've actually broke, to tell the truth. Still moves back and forth, but hey, good enough. It's tight enough. Hopefully it doesn't bust. I'll show you the other one I busted in my other room. So this is my old room. This is what it looks like now that I don't have anything really much in it. My fire truck's still in there. But yeah, then you get down to this outlet. That baby's like out of the wall. It won't even go in any further. Like, it's pretty busted in here, so it's not a good thing. So yeah, I mean, I'm very grateful for him, I guess. Come out of the wall, I think, pretty easily. But yeah, I guess it can be some clickbait. I don't know. So guys, I just want to kind of catch you up a little bit, guys. So I am going to be getting a, I'm working on getting me, and I got this dirty apparently somehow. Don't know how. My cat coat got dirty. I don't But anyways, off track there totally. Ugh. Ooh, I'm stuck on my backpack here. Kinda hurt. Oh, okay. I'm off. But anyways, a lot of sidetracks there. I am going to be getting a GoPro Session, probably. That, or maybe a better one of these, which is just a bridge camera here. I mean, one that shoots 4K, like a Luminex. Or a Luminex, geez, I'm just gonna say I'm planning on upgrading my gear, you know, after all this time of, you know, being on my phone. I decided, you know, it's about time to just get off my phone, hopefully permanently. The only thing I really loved was the GoPro Hero Session, because it was during the summer, I could chuck it underwater, be fine. I could do that to my phone too, but anyways, yeah, and it was just kind of fun. So, to have fun playing around with it, the bridge camera, I really don't think I want, anything, because I've learned that, like, as a vlogger, I like to be more discreet when I'm doing it, and I can go in and jump around, and it's easier and lighter to move around, and I don't really see the difference in needing the zoom, but sometimes I would, but so, yeah, if there's a camera you guys want to see me review, because I will review the camera, but just put it down in the comments and I may get that one. Also, a good thing with the Hero Session, by this time it's literally cheap, pretty cheap, so that's what I'll probably get. And then if I need to, once I hit 1,000, I'll upgrade to a better camera, like a Luminex G7 that can shoot 4K, but that's a DSLR. I would hate to hold something heavy like this and bring it everywhere with me. That's another thing, I have to bring it to school and all that if I want to vlog at school. Yeah, the GoPro Hero Session, I can keep it in my pockets like my phone. And it is smaller than my phone, so yeah. Just want to kind of update you on my camera situation there, but guys, let's get on to what I ate for supper and then my outro. Yeah, so I was gonna tell you what I had for supper tonight. Looks like this has rice and stuff like that. I just put some corn tortillas in it. But yeah, I was too stuffed to eat the rest of that because that was my third bowl. It was Hamburger Helper. See if I can find the box. Yeah, guys, so this is the box. It's called Crunchy Taco. It's delicious. You should try it yourself. I hate Hamburger Helper, but I think that's probably the best one I've had. So, yeah. Next to that's cheeseburger. I'm not opening, but whatever. Yes, next part of the video, probably not sure, but who knows. Just look right now. Hey guys, that's it. But of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow because I remember. Peace out.